Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DarkShiba token. Now the DarkShiba token is trending number 4 right now on pinksale.finance. Their pre-sale just started. They're way past their soft cap already. They have the Seifu badge, they have the full audit. They have the KYC. It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that to join. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. They're doing very well, and they still have over 4.5 days left to go, and they're just killing it so far. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the description box. I'll just put it at the top of the description box. I'll pin it to the top of the comment section as well, so you guys can easily find this pre-sale here. So go check it out, DarkShiba. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find their Twitter. And on their Twitter, they also have links in their pinned tweet, like to their Telegram. So their Twitter is at DarkShiba INU. They have 9 tweets so far. They just joined Twitter in April 2024, so very brand new project. They already have 1,621 followers. It says, DarkShiba, the mystery and power of the crypto universe in your hands. Explore unlimited potential with DarkShiba. 9 tweets so far. And so it says, this is their most recent tweet here from 3 hours ago. It says 60 BNB has already been sold from DarkShiba. And it says, don't be left out. And they're already actually way past that. So if we go over to their pre-sale page here, they just set the soft cap below. Their soft cap is at 1 BNB. And I don't think there's a hard cap on here. No, there's no hard cap. So pre-sale is just going to go until time runs out. And there's still like 4.5 days left to go for this pre-sale. Trending number 3 right now, doing very well, this project here. So they've already sold 68.07 BNB worth of tokens, and the pre-sale basically just started. And they got tons of time left, so they're going to do very well, I'm sure. I mean, they're already doing very well. They have a full audit by InterFi Network, and you can check out the full PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a Seifu badge, which means they passed a certain criteria of safety, security, in order for them to get that Seifu badge. Public pre-sale, they've had 214 contributors invest in this pre-sale so far. It says, DarkShiba, the decentralized meme token, 100% dedicated to the community. It says, central exchange listings have been confirmed. Based team, low taxes, big buyback, big burn, LP locked, worldwide hype, 1,000 times potential, 150 plus KOLs and partners, top callers, influencers, Dex Tools, Dex View, Dex Screener, and Aave trending bots, fast track to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, ads, banners on crypto websites, live staking, NFT swap and bridging, 24/7 shilling. So DarkShiba is the name of the token, and then DarkShiba, all one word, is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. So pre-sale started basically just today, March 3rd. I keep wanting to say April, but it's now March. March 3rd, 15 hours UTC time. And it's going to go all the way until March. Am I saying March? What am I talking about? May. I don't even know what I even corrected myself twice there now. So it is not April. It is not March. It is May. So I don't know what's going on. Long day. Anyways, it was a long day. But yes, sorry. The pre-sale started May 3rd, 15 hours UTC time. And it goes all the way until May 8th, 2030 UTC time. So if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, there is a link down there to the pre-sale too, so make sure you check to see if it is actually over first. But if it is over and you missed the pre-sale and you're looking to get the token, you can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the DarkShiba token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, DarkShiba.site. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second here. There is a guide too, if you didn't understand what I just said. There's a how to buy guide on their webpage. It'll take you step by step through how to get this token. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. Now that's one of the reasons why they got that Seifu badge, is because they have a year-long liquidity lock. Now they also have a token metrics allocation pie chart. It's pretty straightforward. 35.02% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 14.93 or 97% of the tokens go to liquidity, and the rest, 50% of the tokens, will be burnt. So pretty straightforward allocation there. Their Telegram has 5,360 members. 118 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more, talk to community members, that would be a great place to do so. So check that out there. And lastly, their webpage, DarkShiba.site, has a roadmap, buy now button, white paper. It's got a full white paper on there, tokenomics, all that stuff. It's a community-driven project. If you do miss the pre-sale and you're looking to get the token later, it says there's a 6% tax for marketing and project development, so you will have to set your slippage later on around 6%. It says they're going to have staking, NFTs, and more things integrated into the project. So they'll have a link to their BSC scan on their webpage as well. And their roadmap here, basically they're going to do a lot of advertising. They're going to be listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, central exchange listings. They're going to have partnerships, Launchpad dApps, staking NFTs, new central exchanges, and then a new roadmap. So tons of info on their webpage. Cool pictures. They kind of show you what the NFTs are going to look like. Basically all these cool like dark Shiba dogs with red eyes. And yeah, go check it all out. Link will be down below to this pre-sale. Check out the other videos I uploaded today as well. Bunch of brand new tokens. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I post daily crypto videos if you're interested in learning about those. Thanks to everybody who's been hitting that join button. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit the join button. Check out all the referral codes down there as well. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.